Good morning students. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. Look at here. I have kept the water bottle on the table. Okay. I have filled this water bottle with water. Can you tell me how much of water this bottle can hold? Think how much of water this bottle can hold? Okay. And let me show you some another container like the cup of water and the glass of water. Now all the three containers have water, and can you tell me all the three containers have the same amount of water? This cup, this glass and this water bottle have the same amount of water? No. This cup has little water comparison to this glass of water, and both the containers having little water comparison to this water bottle. It means that this container is holding the greater amount of water, and this glass is holding the greater amount of water to comparison to this cup of water. So when the big container hold the greater amount of water liquid, we can measure it in liter. Okay? And the smaller container holding the amount of water or any liquid, that means that we can measure it in milliliter. Okay? These are the metric units of capacity. Right. So our today's topic is measures of capacity. It means that capacity is the amount of water, milk, oil or any other liquid that a container, example which I have given, okay, bottle can hold. The standard units for measuring capacity are liters written as L and milliliters written as ml. Look at here, this sanitizer bottle, it is also having some sanitizer. This we also measure in milliliter. We can also measure it in milliliter. So it is shown here, this is 500 milliliter. It is not in liter because it has few amount of liquid. Okay, it means that few amount of liquid, जहाँ पर कम liquid हम measure करते हैं, that we will measure it in milliliter, and जहाँ पर ज़्यादा liquid होता है, ज़्यादा container में liquid हम measure करते हैं, तो वहाँ पर हम liter में measure करते हैं. We have some examples here. You can see here, this is 200 milliliter Tetra Pak juice, 500 milliliter oil, 50 milliliter ink. This is marker pens ink, 1 liter water bottle which you bring in the school also, and 2 liter of paint. Okay, it means that we have already learned in our previous tutorial classes measures of weight and measure of length. Because we are doing chapter number 9 measurement, it means that नाप तोल मीन्स जो हम लोग चीज़ें मेज़र करते हैं. लाइक फर्स्ट हमने मेज़र किया था लेंथ. लेंथ मीन्स लंबाई. एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की लंबाई जो हम मेज़र करते हैं मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर में मेज़र करते हैं. राइट, लंबाई, चौड़ाई, लेंथ, विड्थ, जो भी हम मेज़र करते हैं उसे हम लोग मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर में मेज़र करते हैं. एंड डिस्टेंस, डिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज इन द मेजर्स ऑफ लेंथ which we measure in kilometer and meter. Okay, next one is measures of weight. any object like our weight, your weight, and heavy objects weight, we can measure it in kilogram, and smaller objects weight we can measure in grams, like this marker pen एंड द एम्प्टी बॉटल. अगर हमारे पास बॉटल खाली है तो उसका भी, लाइक ये हमारा सैनिटाइज़र है. ओके, दिस इज़ द सैनिटाइज़र. ओके, जब इस बॉटल ने जो सैनिटाइज़र होल्ड किया है, इसके अंदर कितनी कैपेसिटी है, कितना इसके अंदर सैनिटाइज़र आता है, दैट मीन्स इट द बॉटल्स कैपेसिटी. एंड व्हेन द बॉटल विल एम्प्टी, जब ये खाली होगी तो हम इसका वेट मेज़र कर सकते हैं कि ये बॉटल कितना हैवी है. सो विल measure its weight in gram only. Okay, so we are doing measures of capacity. This is our today's topic. This is the last topic of the chapter measurement, and almost all the topics are equal to each other, like kilometers to meter, kilograms to gram. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, like 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, these are the metric units and conversions. Okay, so we are doing measures of capacity. It means capacity means any कंटेनर, कोई भी कंटेनर, कोई भी आपका लाइक आपके जो बर्तन होते हैं, यूटेंसिल्स होते हैं, आपके कंटेनर होते हैं, उसमें कितना आप वाटर लिक्विड आप कंटेन कर पा रहे हो. लाइक ऑयल इज ऑल्सो वी मेजर इन लिक्विड फॉर्म, मिल्क, जूस and water. These we measures in capacity, and the metric units we just measure in the standard units of measuring capacity are liters and milliliters. हम इसे liters and milliliters में measure करते हैं. Why? Because जो ग्रेटर अमाउंट होता है लिक्विड का, लिक्विड फॉर्म में जो ज़्यादा अमाउंट होता है उसे हम लीटर्स में मेज़र करते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा तो हम मिलीलीटर में मेज़र नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज मिलीलीटर स्मॉल अमाउंट होता है. ओके, तो उसे हम लोग लीटर में मेज़र करते हैं. हियर वी हैव रूल दैट इज, और a formula, we can say it formula, that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter, or 1 milliliter is equal to 1 out of 1000 milliliter. It means 1 milliliter 1000, 1 liter का 1000th पार्ट होता है, राइट. 1 milliliter बहुत स्मॉल अमाउंट होता है, बिकॉज वो 1000 का 1 liter का 1000th पार्ट होता है. ओके, well students, here some of the standard containers marked with standard units to measure the capacity of liquids are shown here. You can see here, many times you have seen these kind of containers, like 1 liter, 500 milliliter, 250 milliliter, 100 milliliter, and 50 milliliter. I can show you this sanitizer, this cough syrup. This is also in 100 milliliter or 200 milliliter. Okay, like this. Here the container 50 ml milliliter, 100 milliliter. You have seen many time milkman. They also bring this kind of container with them to measuring milk. Okay, and this is you also seen in the petrol pump. Whenever you go to out of your house, or some other places to visit, so you just go by bus or scooty or car and all. So there in the petrol pump you can see these type of containers which we use to measure the oil. Okay, petrol and oil. So this is 1 liter, this is 500 milliliter, 250 milliliter, 100 milliliter, and 50 milliliter, right? So 500 milliliter, it means that is half of 1 liter. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? सो यहाँ पर आपको पिक्चर देखने से समझ में आ गया होगा, ये जो पिक्चर्स आपकी बनी हुई है यहाँ पर, ये आपने मिल्क मैन के पास ऐसे कंटेनर्स देखे होंगे कई बार, और ये आपने पेट्रोल पंप पे या फिर जब आप ग्रॉसरी शॉप पे जाते हो वहाँ पर आप ऑयल अगर लेते हैं तो वहाँ पर भी इस टाइप के कंटेनर्स आपको दिखाई देते होंगे, राइट? सो वी जस्ट यूज दीज कंटेनर्स टू मेजरिंग मिल्क एंड ऑयल. Okay, understood everyone? Now you understand what is capacity, measures of capacity? Yes, measures of capacity in any container can hold the amount of liquid. Okay, जो liquid means कोई भी कंटेनर जित उसमें कितना लिक्विड आ सकता है, वो लिक्विड के फॉर्म में, लाइक ऑयल भी हो सकता है, मिल्क भी हो सकता है एंड वाटर भी हो सकता है, तो कोई भी कंटेनर कितना होल्ड कर पाता है, दैट वी मेजर इन इट in metric units, liters and milliliters. That is known as the capacity of that container or any object. उस कंटेनर का या किसी भी वस्तु का उसमें रखा हुआ है लिक्विड फॉर्म में, तो हम उसे मेजर्स कर सकते हैं. ओके, ये मेजरमेंट के अंदर ही आता है. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? ओके, नाउ we have another topic here, conversions of metric units of capacity. Conversion of metric units of capacity, we can see it on the board here. We know that first of all we'll write here conversion of metric units of capacity. This is chapter 9. Okay, so students, the standard units of measuring capacity are liter and milliliter. So when we go to greater unit to the smaller unit, we just multiply it by 1000, and when we convert or go to smaller unit to the greater unit, then we just divide by 1000. Why? Because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter and 1 milliliter is equal to 1 out of 1000th liter. This is very important rule. Okay, this is the rule, we have to learn it and you can write it in your maths notebook. आप इसे अपनी maths notebook में लिख भी सकते हो because it is very important. You should learn it. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter and 1 milliliter is equal to 1 out of 1000th liter. If you will learn this one, so you can easily solve its exercises. Okay, this is the conversion of metric units of capacity. If we'll convert liter to milliliter, then we will multiply the given number with 1000, and if we convert milliliter to liter, then we divide the given numbers by 1000. Okay, so let's take some example here. Here we have example number 1. We have to convert or express the following in milliliter. Okay, so here number A, 2 liter. We know that when we convert, just look at here, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So this is the bigger unit of measures of capacity. So when we convert bigger to smaller unit, 2 liter to milliliter, we'll just multiply this one with 1000. So 2 multiplied by 1000 milliliter is equal to 2 ones are 2. So we'll add here 30. 2000 milliliter. Okay, now let's take one more example. Another one is 6 liter 480 milliliter. So here we can see 6 liter 480 milliliter. Actually here we have milliliter also, so we need to convert this one only. So this is 6 liter. So we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So we'll just multiply 6 by 1000 milliliter. Then we'll add this number. Okay. Now first we'll solve it. 6 ones are 6. We'll add 30 over here. And this is also milliliter. This is also milliliter. We'll put here. Okay. Plus 480 milliliter. Right. So here we have 3 digits. These are also 3 digits. So we'll just put 6480 milliliter. Understood everyone? So in this way we can easily convert or express liters to milliliters. Okay. Now let's take another example. Convert the milliliters into liters. Okay. Express the following in liters and milliliter. So part A, we have part A, 9000 milliliter. So the rule is, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter and 1 milliliter is equal to 1 out of 1000th liter. So when we convert milliliter to liter, we just divide the given number by 1000. So we'll write 9000 divided by 1000. It's very easy, and here we'll put only liter. So just cancel the zeros. Here 1 0 cancel to 1, second to second, third to third. All zeros are cancelled. So we have here 1 and 9. It means 1 9s are 9. Right. So 1 से भी हम 9 को cancel कर देंगे. So here we get 9 liter. Understood everyone? So let's take part B. Part B here, 5450. Okay. Now just read this number. Just read this one. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So this is 5450. Now we'll separate the thousands place and the hundreds place. Okay, we'll expand it like 5000 plus 450. 5000 plus 450. Now this will become in milliliter, because in the milliliter portions we have only 3 digits, and in the thousands part we have 4 digits like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here this is 1000, so this is 5000 in liter. So we will divide it 5000 divided by 1000 and plus 450 milliliter. Now 1000 fives are 5000 liter and 450 milliliter. The another way to solve this one, we know that in the milliliters part we have only 3 digits, so we'll separate the 3 digits. Okay, and the rest of the digit जो हमारे पास बचा हुआ remaining digit will convert into liter. So just remember one thing, हमारे पास लीटर मिलीलीटर में ओनली 3 डिजिट्स होते हैं. जहाँ पर भी आपके 3 डिजिट्स आएंगे तो दैट मीन्स इट इज़ मिलीलीटर पार्ट, एंड द रिमेनिंग पार्ट वट एवर द नंबर 2 डिजिट हो सकता है, 3, 4, 5 हो सकता है, वो आपका लीटर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सो इट इज़ 5 liter and 450 milliliter. ओके, दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन. ये आपको सॉल्व करना है, इस तरीके से आपको सॉल्व करना आना चाहिए. अदरवाइज यू कैन सॉल्व इट ओरली. आप इसे ओरली भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? ओके, हियर द एक्सरसाइज 9H and this one, express the following milliliters. 2 questions I have solved there. You have to solve these 2 questions also, and 2 I have given in homework, right? And the second questions also 2 also solved in the worksheet. आपको solve portion भी आपका complete करना है, और unsolved portion जो आपको दिया जाता है as homework वो भी आपको complete करना है. Now look at its addition. It's very easy because we have solved this. ये हमने अभी solve किया है. Conversions of metric units of capacity. ओके, तो आपको इसके साथ साथ एडिशन भी करना है एंड सब्ट्रैक्शंस भी करने हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी. दीज नंबर्स यू हैव टू पुट इन द कॉलम ऑफ एडिशन. आपको ऐड के कॉलम में करना है, उसके बाद आपको सॉल्व करना है. लाइक यू कैन सी योर पार्ट ए. Okay, what you will do, you will just separate the liter and milliliter column, like liter and milliliter. Now put the numbers into liters column, find out the liters column. Okay, now this is 44 liter, this is 35 liter, and this is 84 liter. Carefully students, sometimes you did wrong. Sometimes you do wrong. You write the questions like 44 and here 420 and here 35, like that. Just remember one thing, separate the liter and milliliter column, then put the numbers below the liter, the liters one, and below the milliliters, the milliliters numbers. Okay, now look at here. यहाँ पर आपको easily दिख रहा है और clearly दिख रहा है 44 liter. So we have written here 44 liter. This is 35 liter. So we have written here 35, and 84 liter. We have written here 84. Now find out the milliliters part. Here 420. This is, and next one 360. And next one 965. Now what we'll do, we'll just add the numbers together. Now we'll start from the ones portion. In the milliliter part, we just start from the ones portions, ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000, right? So look at here. I told you that in the milliliter part we have only 3-digit number. This is 3-digit, 3-digit, 3-digit. When it goes to the liters column, it will become thousands place or 10,000. Okay. Now here 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. We'll write here 4 and 1 carry. 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. Can we write 17 here? No. Why? Because it is, when we expand it, 1745, like 1000 plus 745. It means that 1000 milliliter makes 1 liter. Understood? 1000 milliliter, because this is milliliter. 1000 milliliter makes 1 liter. So this one goes to R. Right. So we'll add 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So we'll write here only 4 and 1 carry. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Understood? Now it's become 164 liter, 745 milliliter. Understood everyone? Like this, you can solve the addition part of liters and milliliter. Okay, look at its subtraction part. Here 55 liter 438 milliliter from 79 liter 695 milliliter. So what is the meaning of from? From में से, it means 58 लीटर 738 मिलीलीटर को हमको 79 लीटर 695 मिलीलीटर में से subtract करना है, right? Just observe the number, students. Sometimes, always, sometimes not. Some of the students always do wrong, like they just write the first number first. पहले वो जो हमें फर्स्ट नंबर दिया है उसे ही पहले लिखते हैं. आफ्टर दैट दे राइट द नेक्स्ट नंबर. सो हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 79 फ्रॉम 58? जस्ट लुक ओनली द लीटर पार्ट. आप केवल लीटर पार्ट को देखिए. हियर वी हैव लीटर पार्ट, दिस वन. ओके, this is 58 and here 79. Don't look at here, don't see here 438 मिलीलीटर और इसको नहीं देखना है आपको. आप केवल ये देखिए, पहले लीटर्स पार्ट में देखिए आप. ओके, बिकॉज लीटर इज़ बिगर यूनिट ऑफ कैपेसिटी. तो आप लीटर से बोरो भी कर सकते, मिलीलीटर जो पार्ट होता है वो लीटर से बोरो भी कर सकता है. फाइन. सो आप केवल लीटर वाला पोर्शन चेक कीजिए. 58 इज स्मॉलर देन 79. सो विल राइट दिस नंबर फर्स्ट. पहले हम कौन सा नंबर लिखेंगे? ये वाला नंबर, ये पूरा नंबर एक साथ लिखेंगे. सो लेट्स सॉल्व द सब्ट्रैक्शन पार्ट हियर. Subtraction part will solve also here. Subtraction. Now part A, 58 liter 438 milliliter from 79 liter 695 milliliter. Okay, now as we just separate the liters and milliliters column. Now we'll write here liter, here milliliter. Okay, now we'll write the numbers below the liters. Here 58 and sorry, now first we'll write here, like you I'm doing the same mistake. पहले हम ये वाला नंबर लिखेंगे. ओके, फ्रॉम, बिकॉज इट इज रिटर्न हियर फ्रॉम. सो फर्स्ट विल राइट द बिगर नंबर. सो दिस इज 79 एंड आफ्टर दैट विल राइट, first we'll write 79 liter and milliliter 695. After that 58 liter and 438 milliliter. Now we'll subtract. So can we subtract 8 from 5? No. So it will take one borrow from this side and become 15, and here it will become 8. Now 8 from 15 will get here 7, and 3 from 8 will get here 5, and 4 from 6 will get here 2. Now it is 257. Here 8 from 9 will get here 1. 5 from 7 will get here 2. So the number is 21 liter 257 milliliter. Like this you will solve your subtraction part. Okay, so do you understand everyone? I hope you understood. Okay, you all understood the chapter or the capacity, measures of capacity and its metric units. See you in the next maths tutorial class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.